up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn y'all post notifications so y'all get notified every time we post. Alright, that's all, fam. So we back, and today we are going to be changing the headlights on both sides, the headlight bulbs. So I gotta figure out how to get the headlight out. I seen somebody say you could turn the wheel and pull out the thing and pull out the bulb from the back, but we about to try that. Because I honestly do not want to take the bumper off and do that part. Because I know in my Infinity, I had to move the whole bumper to like pull the headlight. And then like it's so hard to get the headlight, the bulb out that car. So yeah, I'm fixing to get the key and crank the car up and turn the wheel. Do not turn the wheel if your car. Don't fight to turn the wheel because you mess your steering pump up if you do that. So yeah, we're gonna get the key, crank it up, turn the wheel, and see if we can get the bulb out and go from there. Alright, SI fam. So after assessment, my client has no dim lights. And they are these ones right here. These ones are your dim lights and these ones are your bright lights. So this is the bulb. I don't know if you guys can see. Probably can see. Ain't no good. You see the little pop thing right there, ain't no good. So this is the bulb right here. This is what you're gonna need. Turn it around. The part number right here. And I got to show you guys this because this is a tight space. But we got to turn the wheel real hard, cut the tire real hard, go up there, pull them back, pull the I pull one tab out and pull the plastic back. All right. I put my hand up in the blind side and turn the knob, unplug it, got it out, unplug it. Yeah. So this is the bulb we need. So I got to go to the part store and grab this bulb. Alright, that's what I found. So we are back. As y'all can see, this is the focus. Let's see if it's gonna focus. This is the actual light bulb. Okay, focus. This is the light bulb that came out. The dim light bulb, so your part light, your running lights, your dim lights. This is that bulb right here. As you can see, it is broke. And then this right here is the actual new light bulb. I'm sorry it's not focusing like that, but as y'all can see, the little spring coil is still intact. And then on this one right here is broken. There you go. Focus. Hopefully y'all can see that. But yeah, it's broken. So with that being said, we can go ahead and install this on the car. And then like I said, y'all do not want to touch this part right here of the halogen bulb with your oils, because that kind of tends to cause it to burn out faster. So if you got a cloth or something while you handling it, or some gloves or something that grab this part while you handle it so you don't touch it, you do that and then you go from that. So right now I'm fixing to pop it down and install this back on the car. And once I install this on the car, I'll plug it in and stuff. Make sure you plug it in right, push this thing and turn it back in the socket. So yeah, let's get into it. So that's all I found. As you guys can see, that one clamp right there by the wheel. You want to pop that out. That's going to give you access to pull this plastic piece back, and that'll give you access to getting into removing the bulb. So yeah, that's what the same on both sides. So you want to pull that clamp out, that snap on. So you need a flat head or like a trim removal tool. Pull them out, pull that clamp out, and then you can be able to pull the rubber flap down and get to the light. I'll try to show y'all, but if you pull them back, you should be able to reach back there and grab the light. Try my best to show you guys that. I'm gonna actually pull it out so y'all can see the hole and where the hole is at, where the bulb go at. Alright, see if I can get it in. It's gonna be hard to show you guys. This definitely gonna be hard to show you guys, but I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all see the light hanging? You just reach up in there and you feel for the So that's why I found I really can't capture that really well. I apologize for that. I'm trying to capture as best as I can, but you reach up in there and you should feel the the socket is gonna be kind of like the first one you reach to. You can feel it, you twist it, and you pull it out. I can't really capture that because it's such a tight space. I really can't get y'all in there to like really see what I'm talking about. But you're gonna twist it and pull it out, and when you pull out, your light bulb gonna come out and it's gonna hang. Like I said, you don't want to touch your halogen bulb and stuff like that, so make sure you have some type of gloves or some type of cloth to like grab it around the halogen, because if you don't want your oils from your hand getting to it. I'm sorry I can't really show you guys like exactly where the bulb is at because it's such a tight space. It's such a tight space, and I got the wheel turned all the way to the side. But I can't reach up in there and really show y'all on my phone how the actual like area looks. So I'm sorry about that, you guys. I'm not trying to take the tire or nothing off. I'm just trying to really replace it without taking the tire. So you got to pull that fender piece, and you just got to reach up in there and grab it. Alright, it's our fan. So you guys, you got the lights on, they both working, you feel me? You got the car cranked up running. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so I get notified every time we post. Until next time, it's our fan. We are out.